This one's 28, 40 to 45. All the ice is very good quality. Yeah. Usually the bottom ice is it's more solid than the top one. But you can see even the top one and the bottom one, the difference is not too big. You see, the difference is not too big. Hello, good morning, Mr. Yafes. Eddie Mubrak. Finally, your machine is finished. Now, behind me is your machine. I will show you the ice coming process and ice quality as well. Okay. So after 45 days, your machine is now finally complete. Okay. Now it's the final testing stage. As you can see, the machine is one body installation. So when you receive the machine, it's exactly like this. Okay, you just connect this water pipe to the water cooling tower, and you can start to make ice after charging some freon gas. And now I come to see the operation menu. Okay, and now it's, ice making time is 900 seconds. And there's a few times before the ice release. Okay. Show you the specification here. Okay. And here we have the English. Okay. Control interface. Blah blah blah. Okay. Everything's in English. Okay. So you can monitor also the high pressure and low pressure in here. Ice making time, ice making circles. Okay, and here some pressure meters. Okay, high pressure meters. This one you can supervise during the ice making. Okay, this is the voltage. Okay, this is the electric current. Okay, let's look inside the electric box. Okay. So this one is Siemens PLC, okay, and the other brands are Schneider brands, okay. Also here we have the Schneider brand as well. This one, the electric components. Also from Schneider, okay? All these we use a good brand, okay? And this one compressor from Pizza as well, as usual, okay? It's water pumps, and you can see the cables. We make it right and fix it onto the net. Yes, it's a much better sorted way. Okay, and this one is genuine Bitzer. We have the original documents in here, the Bitzer certificates. Okay, technical specifications, and so on. So one machine's one original documents. Okay. This is liquid tanks. Okay, this is a special design vertical liquid tanks. Okay. And here the liquid tanks, we have two purpose. One, the storage of liquid, and the other storage of hot gas. So when the time comes to discharge, it charges the hot gas from the tank. So it increased the ice discharging speed, defrosting speed. So every hour you defrost ice faster than other brands. So in one day, you have multiple times. So you have make more ice in a day. Okay, this is how it works. And this is the liquid sensor, this one. So it maintains the liquid at a high level, so the ice quality is better. Okay, because more liquids inside the tanks, so the ice is more even. And on the top, there are even more solid, so there will be less crushed ice when you harvest every time. Okay. Now you can hear the sound that the hot gas is charging to the evaporators, and here so you can see the water is dropping, so the ice is coming. Ice is coming now. Okay. 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 Please check the ice quality. You can see the crushed ice is not very much. All this is solid ice. Okay. All the ice is very good quality. Okay. Okay, now one discharge is finished. Now you see, even it is the last batch of ice, it's still, it's very much solid. Because this large batch of ice is almost to the top, So if this ice is still solid, good solid, then you have more ice. Usually the bottom ice is it's more solid than the top one. But you can see, even the top one and the bottom one, the difference is not too big. You see, the difference is not too big. So you can see that we have good control over the ice quality. You can see the ice difference at the bottom and the top is not very big. That's contributed to it by this liquid sensor. So we have good control over the ice even quality. Okay. So let's measure the ice. Okay. Measure the ice here. This one, let's measure the diameter. Diameter is 28. Okay, it's a 28. Okay, and the length, it's about 40 to 45. Okay, let's get another one. Check this one's 28. Okay, so this is your machine. Okay, so we're now sending this video to you. So again, Eddie Mubarak, I'm sending this video to you. You check and let me know, and then we will start arranging shipping very soon. Okay.